Pringles?
No thanks. Her shirt says, "I love my husband." Autobots. Elevator stairs. Isn't that just an escalator? It looks like Spanish. Memorabilia. I think that's like I just said that Italian. Papa, it's a cooling station. Let me turn your head. You're gonna be cool. Dun 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 dun. Cool. Yes. Worked on that man also. My favorite fruit. Caramel macchiato. Wow.
You want a tour? Or you just want to walk in the
Elevator. Where? What are all these signs pointing to? Where are they supposed to go?
So far, can anyone point to the direction of Lake Mead?
I hope so. Hey, look at this. Why was Hoover Dam built? The Colorado River is both friend and foe. Okay, but why was the Hoover Dam built? The shovel's upside down. Discover Hoover Dam. Oh, hey, there it is. The dog who owned a dam. Did he ever give a damn? Look at those bad boys.
Could you take me off your list, please? I don't need any more phone calls.
Oh, that's you. That's you. No, that's not. Oh, I shouldn't do this while I'm driving. But
And I'd have a countdown. 3, 2, 1. For kids and stuff.
What happened?
Hi.
Money.
Why do they have wasabi? Good. Oh, I'm cracking my back. Hold on. Oh, that was the Hoover Dam, by the way, which is in Nevada and Arizona, the border. I don't know. I recorded that woman wearing that shirt saying I love my husband. I thought that was funny. I ended up going to the arcade thing with my dad, so we played a racing game, and he beat me. He beat me by like 0.3 seconds. I don't know if you could hear in the video. It's because I had guacamole and like beans and other dips, and then I said, oh, I didn't know they had wasabi here, and I thought that's pretty funny, but I don't know if you guys heard that or not, but